Welcome to our session on rehabilitation robotics. So, first of all, just a disclaimer that this information is coming from the internet. It is based on the information that I know, based on the knowledge that I have. So, what is rehabilitation robotics? Rehabilitation robotics involves the use of robotic systems to assist individuals recovering from injuries or illnesses, such as strokes, spinal cord injury, um, uh, in regaining their motor and cognitive abilities. Now, what are the common types of rehabilitation robotics? There are some which are upper extremity robotics, there are some which are lower extremity robotics, there are some which help in balancing and mobility training, there are some which help in cognitive and sensory rehabilitation, also called as rehabilitation robotics. And then there are some that are involved in tele-rehabilitation, which are involved with telemedicine. Now, when we look at the upper extremity robotics, it's the use of robotic devices to assist in the rehabilitation of the arm and the hand. Now, what does that include? This includes robotic exoskeletons. This includes robotic gloves. Now, lower extremity robotics, it includes using robotics for rehabilitation of the leg and the foot. This includes the use of robotic exoskeletons and the use of robotic gait trainers. Now, there is also something called as cognitive sensory rehabilitation. In cognitive sensory rehabilitation, robotics are used for cognition, which includes the thinking part of the brain, and sensory, all the senses of the body, how that are correlated with the brain. So, this includes examples such as cognitive trainers or robotic sensory simulation devices. And these might not look like robots, they might look more like chips, but that is the name of the game. There is another thing called as rehabilitation robotics. What they do is, in rehabilitation robotics, it means that we are using robotic devices in combination with telecommunication technologies to provide remote rehabilitation services. It allows patients to receive therapy from the comfort of their home. So where can I go and learn about rehabilitation robotics? There are multiple tutorials that are available on Coursera, edX. There are other online learning platforms as well. Now, many of these tutorials are provided by experts in the field of rehabilitation, and they include video demonstrations, they include education material, they include simulation of therapy sessions to help patients and therapists learn how to use the systems. So, thank you for watching this video. Good luck and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon.